The Industrial Revolution refers to the transformation of manufacturing processes in the United States and Europe from 1760 to around 1840. It involved the development of mechanized factory systems, moving from hand production methods. Sociological changes were observed by altering society's social order, including changes in social institutions, behaviors, and relations. This paper aims at discussing the social changes occurred at that time, such as moving to towns, the nature of urban society, and rapid population growth. The migration of individuals to towns and cities from the rural areas has always led to increased population in the urban centers. People from the countryside relocate to towns either because the lands are taken for intensive farming or they look for jobs. The drift of operating in factories came with unsafe and harsh working conditions that posed a significant threat to the workers who worked long hours. As a result, there was the common laborers live in poverty, whereas the rich continued being wealthy. Therefore, the Industrial Revolution has increased the rift between the rich and the poor. In addition, the Industrial Revolution has led to the development of bad manners in urban society and rapid population growth. It led to habits that contradict social norms, such as competition for jobs and positions between women and men. The formation of labor unions increased during the period, and employees started to ask for reforms and hence joined together in voluntary labor relations. The developed associations have helped improve laborers' lives by upgrading their working conditions and wage. Hence, the formation of alliances has helped in the refinement of the working conditions and the social relations between employees. In conclusion, sociological theory's evolution is generally dependent on many aspects of the outcome of a revolution. For instance, the way people relate with each other as well as their relation to the environment. The Industrial Revolution led to changes such as the growth of towns, factories, better production of commodities, and increased population growth in the urban areas. Therefore, the Industrial Revolution is an excellent reference for the success of sociological theories. This and many other essays are available at studycorgi.com.